Bringing time to 17 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Good afternoon. And a very warm welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso on 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. It's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. And you know how we do on Wednesdays? Yeah. We keep it flashy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Say sparkle. So when you see me on a Wednesday like this, in my white shirt, and for no say, yeah, God has done it again. You know what I'm saying? All right. If I try, and then so anytime, sir, no noon pepper, no one papa move. Into your bonnet, but I only say, do who could there be an eye, your ma, no more woman on in so aquenia ma. Almost to me, friend, no more there, I say. I will find the kind of radia will fear Kwanso mediation. It's your neighbor and Santia Bessa. Moonchant to tentum ya. Na yintimian in temna, young called the Akanos and Sana Numa bomb yefia. So numbers to call 0302 216 561. I face 0302 216 562. Sounds like 0268499347. Waiting numbers are bit me a friend. They won't patch us say, oh, Ghana ha and na wuti yes, Robbie Bree. Men friends are why. Sebea a bruchi for no. Wednesdays, any mom's opportunity no. Because someone on no more friend now, so hard now, friend. It may be very difficult for them to get through. Oh, it you know. Oh, Ghana high strawberry. Fache, why? More than the every day we day for you. But Wednesday spend the my union and my woman on no. I will change some months. I went to him and also now easy. Oh, say it, you know. Neja, ya mom so akonya no so atimi aka bibi dia de rade ase e wo fie Kwanso Dwumedi so Adom 106.3 FM. So to those of you in the UK, more Europe, any of the European countries, more share Middle East, one more potem ho nyina na ade more Australia, more America, Northern South of America, Canada for afi more Asia. Hey, more any of the African countries, baby. I will be we salute all of you. Yeah, so give us a call now and say a big thank you to God. 0268499347. I face 03026 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. You may call me Madarama any of your fairly kind of radia bro. Jumbo Cube, Guaranteed Trust Bank, DBS Roofing Sheet, Farmer Trust Limited, and AdomOnline.com. Young Kwanso first caller. Hello, good afternoon, Ghana.
Hello, good afternoon. Are you okay? Jerry, no.
Me and you.
And Obama, you know, manager.
Sawa.
I just stop.
Come over there. I didn't know.
Obadi, I want to say.
No, yeah.
Obadi, auntie.
Yeah, the number straight. Yeah, the Kwame amount straight. Now, be about there.
I friend of Madanyamio, Namefra Danyamias.
Are you Danyamias? Danyamias. Danyamias.
My bread. Now, what to say?
You're fire.
Danyamias. And then Danyamias will brave. Say, what that's Ukram and the massive four. But that's Ukram will crowd you more and now from cry. Yeah, bread and so Yamo. That was pa.
Amen.
Debbie, I'm a person Obama, you know, Krama, a person born, I'm his manager.
Melbo, man, the way it's Reggie, right? Yeah, that's a pa.
You can't say, I actually, you was a family do a hand, or I don't want my answer to get from
Matty.
I will get a stop on
you. Mate. Yɛbɛhwɛ ne amasa akonya no nsu akyi kra. Yɛda ase pa. All right. Nana say.
I'm for James and I want Casanka. Nyamishra was there. Mama Yaquenya Maya so yet to me. I can be
Amen. Yes, we are dancing pa. Man. Never trust. If I told Jumbo Q won't and the Madriani at there. Oh, yeah, Driana now, the spices, and Sanya, the others are now. Oh, the season is Sanya, the Nana, am I the dead? There were question, Coso. The promotions from Koya Coswatch, I said. There are lots of prices I had amount. Cool prices, cry. Now, the more you buy, the higher your chances of winning cool prizes. So, Obama, they are talk a Jumbo Cube now. If I talk a rapper, they are shown, I am meant to keep them. With me, a 100 rappers and ubet me, we need prices be brave. Yeah, no. You know, towels, I would do bowls, I would do pa. Now, face so, you know, bags, t-shirts, any Jumbo Cubes a Chanel, just a product in me, baby. Now, face so crown, only 9 branded ones. Wouldn't your best 500 rappers, then they must out them what to a degree. And never more Quenya now with me in ya. Chefa a main draw na ankasemu na no prices no ebi ye coolers ebi fans hampers akese refrigerators ene chesa chedie bebre nyame Adom on the 11th of August 2018 and main draw na ankasa beba so 2 p.m. I Kumase it because one to Jumbo Cube na use aya wa keep rappers no winya mo na chesa chedie na unso winya ne mo no BBN Abet me phrase 0302 269 752 afi 0302 903 3161 afi 0244 584 889. As they do real quick, young Farmer Trust Limited. Oh, madam, and any of my healthy link, hair, nail, and skin products. Come on, pa. Why are now Timino, Ebu Basa, or fingernails, you more say, and nan who be your Obama de amount, Sanka, healthy link hair, nails, and skin, Ibia, boy, yepa. It protect you to me, not just or more any idea near Bohom by come apart. We won't move in and I pay finish you, none of more reply treat your side. Now, I saw one make a Okoshiana, yes, only Dinko winner. He'll be a shannon on if a pa and said you Ginas way. Rompa boy, we now help back. Can't bear my business correct. Bear my buan inside the eye, there be. We all bear man on chest and says, "Oh, keep you who need to." No, man, you too. You be somebody. I say, for keep it flashy. Your healthy link, healthy woman, and so Oba, we never be wow. Na ama of fertility no etimi agina ye. Wo be fertile pa. Ti be man the boss will say, "Ta them." Yeah, I be want to force this here. Obu a just and you run so and tomuda. There be more the amount sanka healthy link, healthy woman. Na eshas ye no be na be fertile pa. Na eboa amount mi nyi chenso. Improve your blood flow. To moja timi dia frusani ye pa. Se obenya komaya de lalai. E pampam ne kwatri kra. Afi your healthy link menopause tablets and so ho. Obi an pe bi mame ne mame o mame adu ba bi a o twa so be o twa bra adura betimi aboa ne nie se be ye na night sweat anadwo sweat bebre ne ade mood swings ne ade kakra bi ana ne buafu ye ya the next minute no sresre ne ade na fe nso adu ba bi nso akra na niema bi ya irritate no me niema bi hyehye na bufu ne ade e man ko yie ma no a Obama man healthy link menopause tablet ibia bibia be yoku e available at pharmacy shops how do atwe ho ahia o man afa na ba bia dodo pa no na all the way near Farmer Trust pharmacies how do ni name and now Baseline Pharmacy, Kelmet Pharmacy, Zones Pharmacy, Female Cardo Pharmacy, Coffee Chrome Pharmacy, Biotic Pharmacy, Nisi Pharmacy, Art Pharmacy, East Continent Pharmacy, Palmart Pharmacy, Hills Pharmacy, and I feel so Fastens Pharmacy. persons. Anyway, I want now do any chimwa. Obenya be oh. E ba tro yen kwa man so na find next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, hello, Johnny.
Obi ba je Kenya na we. Obi ba je Kenya. Yeah, Olayu, Philadelphia line mu nya wi yi. Yeah. Boko na so e.
Ya mi Adom boko.
No cre. Isi a che. Na bibia boko de.
Hello, Johnny.
Oyiwa bibia boko.
Ose.
Meso ho ya de. Okay, and now wahoma no munya kura ntu de wahoma no munya nti bonu tew na fe de yem fancy why na wahoma no mu hye da na o
na last of year I holiday o hai no we see any mu I get for fight you na dem one to do there am ni baba go am go ni ba ko da on so mu na fi kana you will see the tutu.
All right.
I'm fan and after the friends you for so I'm not them. I'm being in it. To the Yamia pa, my name is me really make any more.
Okay.
Yamia pa, so you
we be better was it. Better was it. Kasa, why? Now said the online we actually there. I said there. I said the hurricane be in an online to do there. Young fan Chirwaza. Now you find next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnny.
Me ba try Frost and I can say free.
I have found my to Iceland.
Iceland. Now no other yet Timunka World Cup anyway,
Ghana blast up when
anyway, Pacho, you see the other day, Radia say,
because why every breed, your mind, especially any of what consume the company, the Junai and Bolivian so in free. You wish you for Ghana, not just after Ghana, you can a cafe at the mirror.
Yeah.
Why every breed, my I'm fair. But we are not a story. Now you 2 years in an head day, see a Benya baby by Yamiatum. Last Sunday, Yami, never did a could be a noa. Yeah, summer ready ever. Here the Yamiasi, I was Fanyana or the MIA.
Amen.
Ghana
Amen.
I'm next year we shall phone in answer.
Okay. Yada sepa nyame kan ho na omoni abusani na ho ban 106.3 FM no asugusu auti mi patcho ye fast day di on so ma DBS Industries on my DBS roofing sheet the only roofing sheet akoto am 20-year warranty e was so against fading and face or peeling say and chance no so be wa and say color no kra be ho na e be pa ensida 20 years near the amount warranty papa. Always I enjoy 5% discount account. We a chance here to your boss in year board down so not just when you assume dream or how be any actually. We check on Spinkters Road here, Ben Papaya Restaurant, also be Joe there 0240-844-444. I face 0204-344-561. Your factories will be Kumasi Tamalina Fe Takrade DBS Industries. Yeah, new roof experts no. Papa, yeah, Jana so. Quickly and fast, they do on some Guaranteed Trust Bank. Guaranteed Trust Bank, I mean, control. Say, banner bear for quiet fast to dink it and home pan, they are money number one. And they are more acquaintance sounds to be to me and be your account or Monchen or Brown Kitashi. It you ban no fire or passport picture. Now the valid ID card account, say driver's license, NHIS card, and I say passport. And now voters ID card, you be account to the amount of brown crazy kebia. Sebe also a convenient banking, simple banking for every Ghanaian. Yeah, ya bon de ura boy. I bet for quite fast so the banking transactions. How do you know? Also bet me now chef Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Stop. Special greetings and come out, Mama Letitia. Dodo now from Mama Lit. Oh, Mama Lit Afro Shop. Oh, Dortmund, Germany. Mommy, that's to say. Mijidi yes and Pomuye. Mommy, Yamitiase. Bibia bear fine. Yamin can wate. Only a bush phone na. Shaminia mani mami. Enemy near Bema Budu. The church Omuna. Please kindly extend my greetings to Mrs. Agatha Mensah and Alexander Mensah. Omo Ewoye Leicester London. Nyame Oishomo pa Wifi Isaac and Chang. Oh no, the way by. And my good friend Maxwell also says special greetings and command guys Amoye Gapua. Depot 10 transit section. Mo onina. And Chasonko Enko Emamo. Special greetings going out to all of you. And to you as well, Maxwell. Hope say BBI Kujo. The patron affair to check a pounds from adomonline.com. They say open from info beer. The patron adomonline.com. I do here now on Sabekano. I want to somewhere call by any the best in Ubiano. Hot audio ne your friends and videos near the Nina adomonline.com. So that the Biana Mecano and I job in Pon CP ne come here. Or say it is just a matter of log on. I just only log on. The old be our Sabekadina. So you two log on. Then find last caller for today. Hello, good afternoon. Oh, sorry. Ow. Anyway, Airtel Tigo. Na Airtel and Tigo they say yakabuma be Airtel Tigo. Na ene a bigger, better and stronger. Na Airtel Tigo here conducting network upgrade area or na sa network upgrade. And on eba be combining assets between former Airtel and then Tigo to become one big network to provide customers with wider coverage, fast internet experience and superior voice quality. Na network upgrade here it will be seamless without causing any disruption. But in an unlikely event, say we experience any issue, there's a mobile phone switching off. Not later was switching on. Be fine. Anyway, Kobasa still now went to me and network now manually bet me select Tigo on your network settings to remain connected. And yes, our 300 that's 100 or visit any Airtel Tigo customer experience shops around you. Oh my fana baby for further assistance. Now with me I enjoy a robust, nationwide coverage, fast internet experience, and crystal clear call clarity. Airtel Tigo, one big family.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Yesterday was your birthday. Mavis Boama. Belated happy birthday to you. Nyamenka Hawaii. I want to thank God for myself and that of my family and all members of the Church of Pentecost. Pa Edifi Atlanta and a baye. Pa Nyamenka. We are making careful holy insecticide spray and in the mosquito coil now. We are there for the papa aba. A jana say pampe. Ya just say boy you correct. Omo you should be there we do a dance ya cho. They tell me cause above for the affair and abay say ya such a move. It is holy insecticide spray and in the mosquito coil. Just a newly improved come up. Now it kills, cockroaches, mosquitoes, house flies, ants and other crawling and flying insects one time quick. Now, the quail no, and the jumbo size pa. Say go and break basabasa so. Who spray? Need spray na. Who spray? Need spray na. Now amount demo. Who spray? Need spray. And they say because who use the spray na? Because who spray? Need spray inside there. Gee, Andrew. Who use the spray now? Why you say we na a just sweet lily fragrance come pa e wo dem ho no. Now when we use how be near chase a catarrh, headache, near chest infections near there be a smokeless and so on the corner. It will be on PBH Quine. Shops out there when she available to door panel phrase 0302 681 582 or 0322 037 623. Holy insecticide spray in the mosquito coil and tum shrew bassa. Die. Yeah, let's go. Man, you knew that song. How about? Vodafone Ghana wishes to inform the general public that it has not contracted anybody to undertake swapping of overhead copper with fiber. Now, baby, I use a sadio way taking place by a Tema communities 10, 11, and 12. But you know, cophobia show overall cocobi. I'm number 3 and more. I didn't have some moms who you Vodafone. Nene. Overhead copper wires now on your best son. Now you're replacing it with fiber. Wine boy. Omu ria cotton. Subai did chrome one no. Subai. Etienne ye police for sutre. Some patrol any. Now why a bet you no? What's the end in her? Eti patrol Ofie any more ya now I very observant. So will be baby bisa. But you can crash it. Now we are suspicious. Me patrol. Inform the police sharp. I ain't chum because Subai Bonnie. That be out to enter. Wait me out for police. Our 192 and I say 18555. And our Vodafone customers no move to me. Afraid. Yeah, control room no. And we are 155 and our 0302 200 100. Nah, ya shena ya chis microphone na. Ebia na Ofie, o feel lazy on person obepie. Enye so nika, I understand you have car fine. But one kasa driving no crowd no aye weni here. And ebia on shed the knee now fuel papa. Oh. Any idea na ebia o be request for Uber yi, we share in and out. I got the fee count night to soon I got the oil no saka and papa. Don't worry. And they Pest Pizza saying can't say so we'll feel now Kwando Pizza. Just give us a call. Yeah, the bed bro baby I'll be. Just tell us the size you want. Toppings our penny at the idea. Yeah, the bed bro. It's all East Legon in the area on our their phrase 0248 820 535 and also 020 636 8703. Most one more Spinkters area on 050-291-1720 and our fee 050-291-1721. More Osu and then the surroundings and also 0266-356-498 and our fee 0266-356-520. Our fee second so a 056-002-7195 and our 02600-27194. Pest Pizza. Taste it, love it. We are in-house production. Headed by Honorable George Invia. And it is coming from Obapa Jimfua. Nice song. Happy belated birthday, Nkoma Beatrice Adom. Beatrice Ado AJ. Or Michelle Camp. 1 JHS. May God bless you from your friends and loved ones as well. About your MTN shares, Nunyan toward their money and Timo, because at the end of July, Unya the opportunity to be to me at Tobium. And Tibomodiana also told there. 75 Ghana pesos per share. But shares no all turning in multiples of 10 with a minimum purchase of 7 cedis 50 pesos. With me, I dial star 170 hash. Now I selected option 7 to buy through MTN Momo. And now so crowd with me, I dial star 533 hash. Now I access the prospectus now. You can also visit mtnghanashares.com for further details. Make sure say obey steady prospectus no what you see be seek appropriate expert advice and sign out don't watch sa offer you MTN everywhere you go. About your Friday way, yeah, Bass Painters, Community 18 Junction, Pork Office, yeah, berry pork, yes, a Adom pork party, powered by Ofie Kwanso. So this Friday, action be any town in the Painters, Pork Office, yeah, berry procusa. Pluto, aka Brachas, yeah, berry pa. It's departure Friday, the 13th of July, 2018. Pork Office, yeah, Walk Community 18 Junction on the Spring Church Road.